the simple vowel E, voiced when in last position of a one-syllable word like je, que, le, ce. Otherwise, E often changes sound or becomes silent, and we hesitate about whether or not to pronounce it. Final E in longer words, part 1. Placed at the end of longer words after a consonant, the final E is silent and is simply here to show that the last consonant should be pronounced. Cuisine, je parle, petite. Final E in longer words, part 2. Placed at the end of longer words after a vowel, the final E is silent and is simply here to show that the word is a feminine word. Ami, jolie, vie. E before double F, double L, double R. Placed before the double consonants F, L, and R, E becomes silent and we only voice the sound of the consonant. Efface, L, erreur. E before SC, SS, or SP. When E is at the beginning of a word and is placed before SC or SS or SP, E becomes silent and we only voice the sound S. Escargot, essence, Espagne. E before X plus consonant. When E is placed before the consonant X, that is itself followed by another consonant, E becomes silent and we make the sound X. Excuse, extra, express. E before X plus vowel. When E is placed before the consonant X, that is itself followed by a vowel, E becomes silent and we make the sound ex. Exact, exode. Ça existe. Find the 3 words where the vowel E is silent. Have you enjoyed this video? Stay tuned for more. À bientôt!